Basic sight words for beginners. A new reader finds sight words very frustrating until they are memorized. Learning to read is a combination of many skills, including letter recognition, phonemic awareness, and memorizing sight words. Knowing sight words alone does not mean that a child can read, but you will be amazed at how easily your little one can learn sight words. Now let's get started. The, of, and, a, to, in, is, you, that, if. Your turn. Let's continue. He was for on are as with his they I. Your turn again. Let us continue. At, be, this, have, from, or, one, had, by, words. Try it again. Great job! 10 more. But, not, what, all, were, we, when, your, can, said. Now you try. Nice try. Now last 10. There. Use. An. Each. Which. She. Do. How. There. If. Now I want to hear you. Very good! We will continue with the second part in our next video. Happy learning!